Hi guys, welcome back to Recipes Mania. The weather is getting warmer, spring is around the corner. So today I thought I would make a Piña Colada milkshake. Alright, so I've got my blender ready to go, and I'm starting with some frozen pineapple chunks. And we're going to add some of those. Next, I have some Dole pineapple whip, and we're going to add some of that. Then we can't forget the coconut, so I have some coconut ice cream. Try to show you that. From Frutero is the brand. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it. And add some of that in. And to finish it, we have some coconut milk. I've got some Silk coconut milk, and we're going to add some of that. Now we are ready to put a lid on it and blend. Alright, that looks good. Let's grab a glass. Alright, here we go. Alright, and there it is. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you give this a try, and we'll see you back here next time on Recipes Mania. Bye guys!